I heard the headers.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oldham County in central Kentucky, northwestern Shelby County in central Kentucky, southwestern Henry County in central Kentucky until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Lug Range, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Don't go away on me now. Come on now. Come back! Yes!
In effect from now until midnight, heavy rain falling across those counties. If you are in Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Norwood, Forest Park, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Sharonville, Blue Ash. You heard the counties in that list: Ohio, Dearborn, Switzerland, Carroll, Kenton, Campbell, Boone, Gallatin, and Hamilton counties. A flash flood warning now is in effect for those counties until midnight tonight. We are seeing some very heavy rain that is falling in the tri-states. Flood warnings have been up along various rivers for the last few hours today, not to mention the Ohio River for at least a week or so. But again, now multiple flash flood warnings in place, including for Cincinnati and Hamilton County. We'll have more coming up at the bottom of the hour. News Radio 700 WLW.
Appreciate that update from Jack Crumley.
Go!
Until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time at 8:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 7:34 p.m. Central Standard Time. Doppler. Radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Given already saturated soil conditions, flash flooding will begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Tell City, Scottsburg, Salem, Gordon, Brandenburg, English, New Providence Town, Carefree Town, Mount Pleasant, and Vienna.
We almost let that go, dude.
Warning captured.
Yes! WHAS, Louisville, Kentucky. Bunch of floods, bunch of floods. Dude, go to 650, 650, 20 to 1. 650, go to 50.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, use shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. County in south central Indiana, Hancock County in central Kentucky, Grayson County in central Kentucky, Breckinridge County in central Kentucky, Ohio County in central Kentucky until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rain moving into warning areas. Given pressure
tough-minded guy.
Southwestern Oldham County in central Kentucky, Jefferson County in central Kentucky, North Central Hardin County in central Kentucky, Boone County in central Kentucky until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across parts of Floyd County. In addition, a line of very heavy rain was located to the west and will move into the warned area between 10 p.m. and midnight Eastern Standard Time. Therefore, additional flash flooding will be likely. Already, a number of roads are closed or have flood waters over them from very heavy rain earlier this evening. Some locations that will experience flooding include Louisville, Jeffersonville, New Albany, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Shinesley, Shepherdsville, Linden, Middletown, and Douglas Hills. Additional rainfall amounts around an inch to as much as 2 inches are possible. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Wow, that flash flood warning was unique. Nicholas, did you hear what it said? It said, instead of Doppler radar, it did it like the CRS, National Weather Service Doppler radar. Isn't that rare?
Yeah.
That's rare, isn't it?
That is very rare.
Wow. Dude, we literally just caught a rare FFW off of WHAS. If only we were both hill... Oh, wow. They didn't even put National Weather Service. They just abbreviated it as NWS.
Huh.
They didn't put National Weather Service. But it sounded just like the CRS, only with the Paul voice.
Yeah.
But anyway, if you could turn your camera right now, because I would do this. Air 5.
Oh shit, I already stopped recording, sorry.
Ah, you're fine. I didn't stop it yet. But yeah, I'm surprised at the amount of alerts that I'm getting.
I'm surprised too, because, especially since I'm getting them from like 800 miles away.
And yes, guys, if you're wondering, yes, this is my 12-522 on my desk. Stay tuned for the unboxing video. Come after this.
Updated FLUDDZ product.
But yes, until we see the unboxing video, ladies and gentlemen. And this is not all I got. Along with the 522, and by the way, before I go any further, this was actually the last 12-522 they had on eBay. The last one. Look at it. It's beautiful, isn't it? And,
Memphis extended time of tornado watch for Alcorn, Benton, Marshall, and Tippah counties in Missouri. Benton, Carroll, Chester, Crockett, I can't say it. Fayette, Gibson, Hardin, Haywood, Henderson, Henry, Madison, McNary, and Weakley counties in Tennessee until 10 p.m. Central Time.
all right then. But that's not all, guys, because along with my 12-522, thanks to Mr. Kind-Hearted Nicholas over here, he actually gave me his old Midland 74-210. The one that had the busted speaker. Now, if you're wondering,
Oh wow, it's such a dicky move of him to give you a broken radio.
well, no. Yeah, like he said, it still activates for alerts. And since I really don't have a use for this FRX3, I am currently using it through the auxiliary input and the audio output, audio output on the 74-10 to connect it to the FRX3. And what a difference. Here's what it sounds like without the audio out. Hear that? That is not loud at all. But if I plug it in to the audio out, Okay, I don't want to break the dial. But yeah, what a difference. And yes, if you guys are wondering, yes, it has the exact siren as the Recom. But no matter, it was Midland.
Back in the 90s, when they didn't know what the fuck they were doing.
But yeah, the radio reception has to be in the perfect spot for some reason, because I'll demonstrate right here. Watch this. Watch.
The pressure was 30.05 and steady. At Gastonia, it was fair. The temperature was 71 degrees. In Monroe, it was fair. The temperature was 69 degrees. Salisbury, the temperature was 68 degrees, 2.57. Wind was south.
There. You hear that? Nothing comes through. It's got to be at the perfect spot. Which is somewhat irritating.
Elsewhere in North Carolina, at Raleigh, Durham.
But luckily I have this short RCA cable that just wraps around the antenna. And it works just fine.
Greensboro in 67.
So, hey. And it's right next to Javier's possessed zone guard. I think that's where I'm going to put the radios that are given to me from now on. I think I'll hang them up in the wall if possible. But yeah. Again, I thank you very much for giving me this radio for free. I mean, what more could you ask for?
Yeah, no problem, man.
And along with the last 522, that made my day. But yeah, stay tuned for the unboxing, guys. Until then,
Let's go back to capturing bunch of floods.
650! Oh my God, no way. No way.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near Clarksville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now.
Oh,
Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado.
holy
In
shit.
fact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Clarksville around 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cedar Hill and Adams. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground.
Oh,
To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
oh my God. No way did I just catch that. No freaking way.
I can't believe it.
No freaking way.
Dude, that was my first PDS EOR that I captured.
Same. That was the first one I ever caught.
Yep.
Dude, I think I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, I can't believe I just caught that.
I can't believe it either.
Oh my God. Oh, fucking Fucking hell. This is bad.
Yellow seat is strictly prohibited. This is the Legend. 6:50 a.m. WSM.
Talk about perfect timing.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southeast of Guthrie, or 10 miles northwest of Springfield, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour.
Damn it. Perfect. SVR, guys, SVR. Just in the nick of time.
Standard Time, or 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thunderstorms were located along the line from near Portland to 7 miles northeast of Hardinsburg, moving at 60 to 65 miles per hour. Expected hazard increase. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations in active pursuit. Brandenburg, Edinburgh, Pleasure Ridge Park, Pleasure Ridge Park. For your protection, move to the interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
What did it say? What did it say in that SVR? Moving east at 60. Moving east at 60. Come on, camera, focus.
65 miles per hour.
Moving east at 60 to 65 miles per hour. Yeah.
Damn. And the way they did hazard source and impact was different. I've actually never heard it that way in person.
Yeah, me neither. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a rate. If only WHAS served those areas.
Butler, Warrenton, and Logan?
They don't serve those areas. Oh, God, dude. We have a TVS of an 8 on the TOR that we just caught on the Nashville, Tennessee station.
Speaking of Nashville, I just got a significant weather advisory for Davidson.
Oh, shit. If we get a Davidson warning for Tennessee. Oh, good God. If we get a
weather advisory for Davidson, northwestern Lewis, Dickinson, eastern Montgomery, northwestern Sumner, northwestern Williamson, Chatham, however the I don't know.
It's Cheatham.
Eastern Humphreys, Hickman, and Robertson counties until 10:15 p.m. East Central Standard Time. Almost like Eastern. That would have been bad.
Oh my God. This is unreal.
Yep, severe thunderstorm warning.
the rest of the season. So congratulations on your double-double, 11 points, 15 rebounds, 4 of 4 from the field, perfect. Okay. And we expect another one of those.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Spencer County and central Kentucky, southwestern Shelby County and central Kentucky, northwestern Nelson County and central Kentucky, southeastern Meade County and central Kentucky, Jefferson County and central Kentucky, northern Hardin County and central Kentucky, Bruce County and central Kentucky until 11:30 p.m.
No, they don't serve Simpson.
Allen and Simpson, Kentucky.
They don't serve those. They don't serve those counties. They don't serve those counties.
Dennis to 14 miles east of Hardinsburg, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour impact. This is a radar indicated flight. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs. Locations impacted include Louisville, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Shiveley, Shelbyville, Shepherdsville, Linden, Middletown, Douglas Hills, and Erskine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, wasn't that very pleasant? And guess who decided to join us along with ThunderBuddy01? If it isn't the OG of Devious himself, NorCal Dude 599.
Hello.
Well
And
then.
I could have swore I saw another SVR issued from Nashville, not Nashville, Louisville. Tornado possible for Allen Simpson.
Yeah, but WHAS does not serve those counties.
Oh shit, I just did that on video.
You sure did. But now we gotta wait for more warnings.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Jefferson County in south central Indiana, Clark County in south central Indiana, Oldham County in central Kentucky, Shelby County in central Kentucky, Trimble County in central Kentucky, Henry County in central Kentucky, northwestern Franklin County in central Kentucky until 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Shelbyville, Madison, LaGrange, New Castle, Bedford, New Providence Town, Pendleton, Charlestown, Sellersburg, and Crestwood.
Just in the nick of time.
Another one?
Bunch of floods. And guys, if you are wondering, no, they won't relay these two SVRs for Davidson, unfortunately, on WSM. Which is a damn shame because WSM doesn't relay SVRs. They don't relay SVRs. Stop! Yeah, they're not even doing it. They're not even doing it. They're not even doing it at all. There's a tornado warning for Davidson tonight. Oh, God forbid. But yeah.
No,
More bunch of floods, my friends. That is how you get bunch of floods. Even though it's not for Transylvania County, but whatever. Gotta love bunch of floods.
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Spencer County in central Kentucky, Nelson County in central Kentucky, Florida County in central Kentucky, Hardin County in central
Oh.
County in central Kentucky, at 11:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Elizabethtown, Morristown, Cottonwood, Marysville, Radcliffe, Vine Grove, Albany Junction, New Haven, Bloomfield, and Upton.
No, go on. Go on. I can just put it in the video. Go on. What do you want to say, Mr. Devious? God fucking damn it. I knew he'd bring up that fucking video from...
Strikes again.
I knew you'd bring up that goddamn video from 2013 on my channel when I first got BUNCHA FLUDDZ. Well, actually, that's a lie. That was not...
BUNCHA FLUDDZ was created.
Well, actually, that was not the first time I got a flash flood warning, or any flood warning for that matter. But you guys know what I mean. That was the first time I ever said BUNCHA FLUDDZ, BUNCHA FLUDDZ, BUNCHA FLUDDZ. It was born in 2013. Oh, God. And I remember the exact date, too. May 6th of 2013. Just imagine when May 6th rolls around this year. What if I get BUNCHA FLUDDZ on the 6th of May this year? Celebrate 5 years. Oh, you know I will, dude. You know I will. You gotta love BUNCHA FLUDDZ, cause who doesn't? Oh, fuck. 2 injuries with the freaking... I think this was... Oh my God. Was this the PDSTOR? No, this wasn't the PDSTOR.
Montgomery County, Tennessee.
Oh...
Emergency manager reports tornado and severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson, Dixon, Dickman, Lewis, Maury, and Williamson.
Don't need SVR.
A damn shame they don't relay SVRs.
Of course they're trying to tease us with Davidson.
What does it mean to be a part of the Southeastern Conference?
Katie, listen up.
More anchor dropping, outer...
This is live, Katie. We're getting this right now.
The service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Spencer County and central Kentucky, eastern Shelby County and central Kentucky, northeastern Nelson County and central Kentucky, northwestern Mercer County.
Katie, try going on 840. See if you can get on 519 this time. Try. Just try.
Western St. County and central Kentucky, Anderson County and central Kentucky, southeastern Henry County and central Kentucky, northeastern Washington County and central Kentucky, Franklin County and central Kentucky until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line 6 miles southeast of Lee Castle to 8 miles north of Bardstown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following events are selected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfort, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Within the storm.
Yes! And guess what, guys? Just to make it even more devious, yes, you did hear me yell Katie's name because Norfolk Southern Storm is back with us. Ready for these alerts.
And
She just got a lightning strike.
detected.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
That's not good. Well then. I'm loving this. This is awesome. This is really awesome.